I will be a captain. And I want to tell you my English. So. I do my best every day to perform it. Okay, my friend? Let me tell you the program of the tour. The first of all, I will show you the mountain and the bay. And then we go snorkeling with the stingray and the sharks. Shallow water, everybody stand up. The water comes this way, the stingray come on you. You can pet the stingray, take photo, and the sharks are turn around. There's a great white shark, bull shark, tiger, hammerhead. every shark there is friendly. Only black tip delagoon. Don't worry. I'll show you Moorea. I explain you Moorea. The famous mountain of Moorea. The Tahitian name that mountain, Mauaputa.
Sieht einfach aus wie ein Gesicht, was hochguckt, gell? Das ist crazy.
You see? The profile. Today you learn me English, I learn you Tahitian. Okay? You know how they say good morning in Tahiti? Yaurana. Yaurana. And bye-bye? Nana. Hello is Yaurana too. Yeah. Maruru. Thank you so much. Maruru Roa. Yeah. On the way, maybe we can see dolphin or the turtle or the coconut. Okay, if you see coconut, we catch the coconut for the lunch on the island. Woohoo! If you want, you can sit front, the first class place there, and a VIP class there. Hi friend, everybody eat ceviche for some crew?
Yes.
Okay, eat ceviche too?
I try it, maybe.
Okay, you try it.
Yeah.
Because
It's good.
my ceviche is the best.
Hey, okay.
It's the best on Polynesia.
Ah,
Because everything is natural, you know?
yeah.
I got the coconut this morning.
Ah, okay. Fresh coconut.
Yeah.
On the ground.
In the water. And here, my friend, we swim with the stingray and the sharks, and the water will stay together. We make a little circle.
Und hier schwimmen einfach mal Haie an mir vorbei.
Ja, alles klar.
Water is moving fast here.
Because the wave on the reef there, and I come in and I make a current.
Ah, okay.
It's good. I got fresh water. It's good for the coral. It's good for the fish.
Ah, good.
climb on 2 coconut tree.
Mhm.
This one and this one next.
Okay, okay.
Hey, hot dog!
Hot dog. Yeah.